Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to pay with QR code on Wise. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, the first step is going to be for us to just go into our Wise app, of course, and then you should be taken to this page. Now, on this page, just click on Cards, as you can see down below here. Click on Cards, and then you should now be taken here. So now you should either swipe into the right if you can, or if you can't, just swipe to the left instead. And as you can see in here, it says Pay with QR code. So you can basically just click on Scan QR code here. And now just scan the QR code, of course, and then you will be able to pay with it. And to be able to access this, you need to, of course, firstly also have a card on Wise, just so you know. And I think you have to also have your identity verified before you can access this feature. And that's it. So that's basically how you can pay with QR code on Wise. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.